welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, it's going to be a different collection. We are going to see chungdi sarees, batiks, all cotton varieties. These are all going to be simple houseware sarees. Lots of you were asking for simple cotton sarees which you can wear for this summer. So we have given a different variety of cotton sarees today. It's going to be chungdi batiks. Batik is going to be Calcutta batik and one is going to be an Andhra batik, different varieties. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. Lovely soft cotton batik saree, very lovely design and the colors. We are going to have beautiful colors in this and ideal for the summer. This is a chutney green and a beautiful border on both the sides of the saree, and throughout the body we have batik pattern running along the body. Lovely design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a beautiful batik pallu, and we have blouse for this saree. It's a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the saree and the price of the saree is 630. We have beautiful colors in this same pattern. I'll show you the other colors. It's really super soft material which will be ideal for this summer. The next is a pink and a white combination. Very pretty color, lovely design. The body of the saree and the price of the saree is 630. The next combination is dark navy blue with white, a pretty design, a lovely pattern, and the price of the saree is 650. Navy blue with white. The next is a red. It's more of the kumkum red. Very lovely design. Same batik cotton and a very super soft material. All the saree is with the blouse and the price of the saree is 630. The next color combination is mauve color. A beautiful mauve purple shade. A lovely pattern. Beautiful batik patterns. Lovely designs. Super soft materials and the price of this is 630. The next is the orange. All these are single color batiks. Very pretty combinations. Lovely ones. And the price of the saree is 630. Last in the shade. And this is a beautiful sapphire green color with white combination in the same batik pattern. And all these sarees are 6.2 meters. It comes with the blouse and it's a running blouse. So you can either stitch the blouse or you can use it together also. It's up to you. It's all plain blouses and the price of the saree is 630. This is a very nice 100% cotton sungudi saree. 120 count, really soft varieties. Very beautiful print. Both the sides we have a lovely contrast border. It's all printed and throughout the body we have a small booty running along the border. Sorry, the body. Beautiful prints. All these are screen prints. This is the pallu of the saree and we don't have blouse for these sarees. And the price of this saree is 510. I'm going to show you beautiful colors in the same design. We have lovely colors in that. The next is a beautiful rust. A lovely rust with a dark brown color combination. Completely the design is in the brown color. Very nice combination. The next is chammangi color, dark mustard, fenugreek, same design, beautiful color combination in that green color floral pattern and the border is in contrast maroon. The next is a beautiful pink, lovely pink. This is the body of the saree, very pretty. It's all the same design, so I'm just showing you the colors for the in the same pattern. I'm showing you different colors. This is a nice pink with a dark, it's more of a black color booty and the border is in contrast navy blue color. The next is a sapphire green. The floral is in blue color and the border is in dark brown color. Pretty design, very ideal for this summer. The next is a chili red in navy blue combination and the black color floral print on the body. Very beautiful prints, all small prints. It's a very ideal for the summer, for the home wear. You can just buy these sarees. This is a dark green. It's more of that pasipair color, chutney green, and the floral print is in dark green, and the border, contrast border is in maroon color. The next is a fawn. It's also a nice color. This is the body of the sari. A beautiful fawn, and the floral pattern is in dark maroon, and the border is in blue color. Very pretty color combination. And the last in the same pattern, a lovely green, parrot green. In that the floral pattern is in blue and the contrast border is in maroon. Very pretty combination. And all these saris are priced as 510. This again a very soft, nice 100 count chungdi sari. A lovely design. A ikat pattern print in the chungdi sari. It looks really classy. This is the body of the sari, a pretty one. A close look of the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. And you don't have blouse for these saris. It's all 5.5 meters. Very lovely color combination. A fawn color. We have beautiful color combination. The same pattern. I'll show you the other colors. The next is a lovely yellow. Beautiful design. In the same ikat pattern design. Very pretty, and the contrast border is in lovely maroon color, and the price of the sari is 500. The next is again a beautiful rust color. In that the ikat pattern is being done in green and maroon color combination. A lovely design again. The next is a pink. Lovely pattern. Beautiful color combinations. Looks really nice and really super soft material. Very fine quality. This will be very perfect for this summer to wear. A very nice design. Pink. The next is a blue. This is the body of the sari. I'll open and show you again. One sari. This is the body of the sari. Looks really nice. The next is a tomato pink. This is the body of the sari. A beautiful color combination. Looks really simple and neat. The next is a chutney green. Body of the sari. A nice pattern. Beautiful color. The next is a sapphire green. This is the body of the sari. A beautiful color combination. Lovely color. The last in the pattern, a mehendi green. More of a fenugreek color. Looks really nice. Very pretty color combination in this. And the price of this sari is 500. This is again a beautiful batik cotton sari. A very pretty one. This is with the starch, so it will be slightly stiff. Once you wash it, it will be super soft material. The pattern of this sari is both the sides a small piping border, crackle piping border, and throughout the body we have a diagonal design running along the body. A very pretty batiks. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a plain blouse with designs. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 650. We have some beautiful combinations in this batik also. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a lovely yellow with a pink combination, a beautiful pattern. This is the body of the sari, a very pretty body. And it's going to be the same design, so I'm not opening all the saris. I'm just showing you the colors. This is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 650. The next combo is red with mustard combination. Beautiful pattern. This is the body of the sari, a very pretty one. Lovely design, and all the sari is with the blouses. Next is a lovely dark green with a mustard combination, a diagonal pattern. It will look really very nice when you wear these kind of cross designs, and the price of the sari is 650. Dark green with mustard. The next is a beautiful blue with a violet with a blue combination. Lovely design and a lovely pattern. Very pretty combination. This is the body of the sari. And the next is a lovely chutney green with a red color combination. A pretty design, lovely pattern, beautiful color. And the last one, we have two more in this. The next is a black with a green combination, beautiful color combination. And this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 650. The next is a ever loving color, maroon with mustard, beautiful design, and the price of the sari is 650. This is lovely cotton batik sari, very beautiful one in the contrast combination. This is a sapphire green with a dark navy blue combination. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is in running the dark navy blue color. It's more of a blackish blue, very dark blackish blue, and the price of the sari is 650. We have some other color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you the other combination. The next is going to be mustard with dark green, beautiful color combination. Same batik saris, lovely design. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu is going to be in green color, and the price of the sari is 650. The next is a pink with a mehendi green, a light mehendi green, looks really nice. All the saris are with the blouse, and for these saris you need to starch if you need a mild stiffness. If it's in just for housewear, you don't need to starch it. It's a very nice one. This is the body of the sari, a lovely pattern. The next color is a dark green in with black color combination. The border is in black, beautiful body, very pretty design, simple and neat designs, which you can wear it for the office also for the summer. And the price of the sari is 650. The next is a fawn with a pink, reddish pink color combination, beautiful one, looks very different. And this is the body of the sari, and the pallu will be in contrast pink. This is the pallu of the sari in pink, and the blouse is going to be contrast pink. The next is a tomato pink with blue color combination, contrast, lovely design, beautiful. This is the body of the sari, look really classy. And the next is a beautiful rust color with a dark brown color border, very pretty combination, looks really nice, simple and neat saris these are. And the last is a fenugreek color with a dark brown combination. This is the body of the sari, very pretty one, and the pallu is again in contrast brown, and the blouse is going to be in contrast brown, and the price of the sari is 650. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the simple cotton wear collections, ideal for this summer. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.